Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check that a restore point exists and that you have a current backup. You will open System Restore from Control Panel or Settings. Use the search if needed. Once you launch the tool, select the restore point you noted and read its description. Make sure to close any open programs and connect to power. If prompted, choose whether to scan for affected programs. Proceed only when you understand which files and settings will change. You now select the restore point that best matches when your system was stable. Once selected, click Scan for affected programs to see which apps and drivers will be removed or restored. This helps you anticipate fallout. Make sure important documents are saved and any encryption keys or passwords are available. If the tool warns about disk errors, run a quick check first. When you understand the consequences, click Next. Then confirm to schedule the restoration. You begin the restore. Your PC will reboot and apply changes automatically. Do not power off mid-process. After the reboot, verify functionality and check key apps. If the restore fails, restart into safe mode and attempt the process again, or choose an alternate restore point. Make sure recovery media or installation USB is available for advanced repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if repeated restores fail, run disk and system file checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.